YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Sledgexl. You already know it's my channel, CHERRIES. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Yo, today I've got yet another unboxing for you. You already saw from the title. That's gonna be the Jordan 13s. You could say gym red, but without further ado, let's get into the box so you know what I'm talking about. Jordan 13 retro. There you go. Size 10. You see it. Alright, colorway is gonna be white, black, team red, it says, and box price was $190. I've had these for a while in my collection. They've just been sitting. It's time to bring them out, talk about it, do some on-feet action, and then let's take it from there. Alright, beautiful shoe straight out of the box. This is one of my favorite Jordan 13 colorways, man. I love this colorway. It's a classic. You know, you can't go too wrong with this. 3 colorway, red, white, and black. You could style this with almost any outfit. Okay, so let's just talk about it. You've got your little, you know, tumble leather right here. The leather is tumble on the toe box area. Black front action going on. Midsole is red, the team red or the gym red, whatever you call it. You've got your hologram over here in green, and it's the Jumpman over there. Yeah, on the back side, red running all the way to like the top of where the shoelace is, and it runs all the way to the bottom side, and it goes all the way to the medial side. Let's check the bottoms. You've got your hologram over here too. I would say like your air bubble. Red running over here, white pads, and you've got your black carbon fiber plate right there. Got your carbon fiber plate right here too. Rope shoe lacing. It's this lacing is not as big as some of the rope shoe lacing that we've seen on other Jordans. What else can I say? Size 10 over here in the interior tongue. I am not gonna try to bring out the insole because they're gonna rip up on me. So insole is right there. If you could see it, that's fine. But other than that, beautiful shoe. How can you style this? So black jeans. You could also do camouflage jeans. You could do light blue jeans. White top, definitely. Red top, definitely. White top with red accents, red top with white accents. You could do that. Black cap, obviously. You could do your joggers, you know, throw on some joggers. When it comes to the caps, any red, white, and black cap can go. This very cap that I have, these J's right here, it can go very well with this, you know, no doubt. Yeah, man, beautiful shoe. Let's see over here. It says 13. I don't know if the camera can capture that. Is the Roman numerals. There's X and then there's 3 I. So 13 right there. The tongue. You've got your Jumpman, tumble leather Jumpman embroidered in black right there. Beautiful shoe. You know, like I said, one of my favorite Jordan 13 colorways. Well, let's go check out the on-feet action, definitely, and shoot me some feedback. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any notifications when I post new videos. Mind you, I post new videos all the time. My bad, yeah. I post new videos all the time, so don't be left out when it comes to all the freshest, you know, gear and videos, and we talk about shoes and whatnot. Stay tuned for the on-feet action, and I'll see you next in my other videos. Peace out.
Hey, yeah. How we looking though? How we looking? You be talking how we looking? I'm looking, bitch. Let's go. Them songs don't talk about without you not to say. Try to jump on my spots, you must got me mistake. I'm mistook. Where the cooking? I just cooked. How we looking? Them songs on my block and they all filled with pain. Young ducks on my jock and they all look to take it. But you cook it, where the cook is. I just cooked it, how we looking. Oh my God, man, he passed nice, y'all niggas tacky. So my plug once he get ready, he best get at me. Said he had me, hit me fastly. Left a pack, now I'm happy. Bite my style alright, don't care. I'm still gon' see me. As I look around, nobody that I see. Let it see, let it squeeze still. Like it's stored out, nigga beast still. Motherfucker, I'm still a beast though. Call me glue hoe, stick it to the cheek code. I let that thing go, aim it, pop, 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 then I reload. Them songs don't talk about advise you not to say shit. Try to jump on my spots, you must got me mistaken. I mistook it, where the cook it, I just cooked it, how we looking. Them jumps on my block and they all filled with payments. Young ducks on my jock and they all built to take it. What you cooking, where the cook it, I just cooked it, how we live. I brought a ticket and I spent it right on some dope shit. Give me a minute while I finish all of this rose. Knocking like who there, that's your boo there, I let her rotate. I'm in my woo, wearing my woo, where I feel like